Welcome back to Talking Tech with TJ. Got me another little toy, the Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. Of course, I jumped on that deal that Samsung is offering online with the trade-in. I had the Note 9 that was just sitting around here, and I traded that in, got about $150, but this one right here was running like 1900. Yeah, that's a little steep, but when you enjoy tech so much, you know, you save your pennies and get what you want. So yeah, let me kick off this unboxing of this Z Fold 2 5G, so I can show you exactly what's in this box. By me ordering this thing online, I had man's custom made. It's the majestic black with the red hinge. Now, this is my first time finna take a look at it myself. It's supposed to be majestic black with a red hinge. So let's get this thing unboxed and take a look at it. And of course, I got a little poncho. I call him little poncho. I keep him on the side for the just in, since the Fold Z Fold 2 5G is not as sturdy as a regular phone. Just in case anything happened to this thing, little poncho. I call him little poncho, but the Pixel 5, she stay on standby just in case. All right, here we go with the unboxing. All right, everybody. This is supposedly be the custom made, because I spent a hefty buck for this one. But yeah, in this world, you know how it go. You gotta pay to play. This is Galaxy Z Fold 2. There go the box. It unfolds. Okay, Samsung got something on the front saying change the shape of the future. Introducing Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. Reimagine the possibilities of the smartphone experience. Unlock endless versatilities and enjoy unrivaled engineering and craftsmanship. Welcome to the new mobile era. All right. So that was nice for them to say that. I guess then that's getting their rocks off about the Z Fold 2. Whoa. All right. There you go. Box. Slim rejector tube. You know, when you buy all this tech, everything have a slim rejector tube. So I probably got about 10 or 15 of those things lying around somewhere. Instructions. You know what we do with instructions, because by this time I don't think we need it. Here go the big boy. This is a multitasking beast. Productivity. Like I say, this when you buy a phone like this, you either love tech or you got money to blow, and you want to floss a little bit. Yeah, but this is it. And I just love tech. Don't have money to blow. But in this world, if you save your peanuts, you can get it. Of course, if you're not rich. Let's pull this thing off. All right. And Samsung got all the warning instructions in front of it. Care instructions. We're not gonna go through that. Buy one of these things, you can, or if you're looking at this video, you can pause it and read the instructions yourself. Let's just put that over there. But this is supposed to be custom made. And let's see, cause it's gonna take its first fold. There go the red hinge. Whoa. Yeah, buddy. That's nice. And of course, I had purchased a clear case, which is coming today from Rinky to put on him. I mean, I gotta put some kind of protection on this. Might as well say $2,000 phone. That's it. Sit him. You know, he costs so much. I don't even want to sit him on the table. I'm gonna sit him right. And he's so fragile, so you can't sit him anywhere. Oh, there we go. Put him back on the protected base. Yeah, so let's see what's else in this box. Galaxy Z Premier Services. What service? Read that letter. All right, a charging brick. When you spend $2,000, this is not gonna hurt the company. So yeah, a charging brick. When you get one of these in today's society, especially with Apple and Samsung, you know, they're starting to take stuff away instead of give stuff when you spend, but they constantly raising the prices. What's up in here? There. Is that there? Okay. And the charging cables. Alright. And that's it. Make sure. You know, no other goodies in this $2,000 box. But anyways, yeah. Let's say we digress. But yeah. Put that there. The big boy off the table. Yeah. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. Red hinge, custom made. Yeah, he most definitely needs some protection because you can't drop this phone and say, oh, no, you can't do all that with this one. $2,000, $2,000 don't grow on trees. All right. Well, thank everybody for watching my unboxing. Please like, comment, subscribe, and and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.